Hello everybody, it's Jim at Bullion RV in Duluth. You can see our beautiful dealership behind us here. It's a hazy, beautiful summer day. Today we're going to look at a Reflection 303 RLS from Grand Design. Very, very nice unit. We're going to take a traditional walk around and give you all the amenities and features on the outside and the inside. And let's see what you think. Has the fiberglass front cap, does the wraparound there, very nice. Bedroom slide up here. Of course, there's an LP tank on each side. Spacious pass-through storage. There's auto level on this rig, as well as the tire link. It's prepped for the tire link system to keep track of your air pressure. Gray tank, black tank, levers all right there. Very easy to use, easy to get to. No crawling around in the mud. Another big slide here. Of course, Grand Design is famous for its quality, just as Bullion is famous for its good deals on good campers. Fully walkable roof, ladder going up, full-size hitch here rated for 3,500 pounds. You can pull your boat up to Snowbank Lake along the Fernberg Trail for lake trout. On the campsite here, another slide on this, so there's 3 slides altogether. 2 awnings on this side, each with the attractive LED lighting. And here's the other side of that big pass-through storage. Battery disconnect in there. There's plug-in. I could set up a refrigerator out here. These MoRide steps are pretty sweet. Easy to clean off before you swing those stairs into the door where they live in transit. We're seeing more and more of these safety rails from MoRide. Very nice, big banister as you go up and in to the camper. Nice and quiet in here. It's a good demonstration of the sound insulating qualities of the Grand Design fifth wheel. Can't hear the din that is Highway 53 out there right now. Refrigerator freezer, 12 volt, voluminous, very nice. Nice big oven, room for a whole turkey in there, attractive 3-burner stove, full residential sized microwave, the big island, big giant kitchen sink. Oops, I put that in there backwards. I thought they had it wrong, when in fact, I had it wrong. I think there's a lesson in that for all of us. And as we come down this way, taking a counterclockwise track. Oh, it does come with the monitor for the tire link, so you can keep track of your tire pressure. Important for mileage, important for safety, and important for the life of your tires. A nice big motion censored pantry here. Big TV there, electric fireplace that can give you ambiance as well as 5,000 units of heat. Some cupboard space, AM, FM, DVD, CD player. You can hook up your, phone and all that jazz. So there, us old guys, I don't know, we can't keep track. Fold out sofa. That's more my speed. Big overhead storage all across the back. Big, beautiful window. Heated massage recliners. Let me give you a demonstration. Oh yeah, this is a comfortable chair. What you do is you put on Netflix, get a gin and tonic, and then go right to sleep about 4 minutes into the show. That's just a recommendation. You don't have to do it that way. Over here, freestanding table, 2 chairs. Here a banquette style bench that features storage in there. And that can also roll out, be an ottoman, footstool in front of the couch. Very nice. Let's head up into the master, beautiful master bedroom. Nice big bed, bedside tables on either side, USB ports, lights all around, plenty of storage, big wardrobe slide over here, lots of hanging storage, drawers, mirror, a window in that slide, which is a nice touch. And into the bathroom, big fancy shower head, big fancy medicine cabinet, 2 of them, sink, porcelain stool, shower. These cabinets are well made. There's even a towel ring here. You don't see that every day. Give you one last look at the living area down here. Again, I'm Jim at Bullion RV in Duluth. I'd love to talk to you about this camper or any of our other RVs, fifth wheels, travel trailers, drivables, towables, you name it. Duluth has been home to Bullion RV since the 1950s. Got the family name on the sign. It's privately owned, privately operated, family owned and operated company. Give me a call, 218-336-3619, and we'll catch you next time.